Hi, my name is Marco Ferrante. I'm a postdoctoral researcher at the University of Göttingen in Germany, and I'm an agroecologist. In particular, I work with insects, insect ecology, and with beneficial ones. So in agroecosystems, trying to help farmers rely more on ecosystem services and less on pesticides. Today, I'm going to show a technique that can be used to monitor insect activity, particular beneficial insects or biological control agents. And the problem here is that most of the time these arthropods or these insects are monitored by lethal trapping. So we estimate their presence, collecting large numbers of them with pitfall traps or other trapping systems that kill uh, hundreds of thousands of them. And this creates a little bit of a contradiction because we would like to convince farmers that these arthropods are actually very important in their system and they have to actually foster their presence there. But if we study them while killing them, this probably sends the wrong message. So we also try to explore alternatives to lethal techniques. And one of them is a technique, I'm going to show it in a moment, that allows to quantify the activity of these biological control agents. We basically produce fake prey. They are sometimes called dummy caterpillars, which are made of green plasticine, non-toxic plasticine. And the advantage of this technique is that they can be standardized, so produced in large number with the same characteristics, and they can be used in many habitat types, in many agroecosystem types. And the techniques is relatively straightforward. We just have to expose these artificial caterpillars for 24 hours, sometimes 48 hours in the field, and then we go to collect them. And when we check them, we can see if the predators try to attack them and left a bite on them. And from the bite left on the plasticine, we can identify the predators. So this is how we produce them. This is a modified garlic press where we remove the mesh at the bottom and we substitute it with a single hole. And inside I put a piece of green plasticine. I'm just gonna squeeze it and create this long green snake. Then I'm gonna cut it into pieces of 15 or 20 millimeters. And these are the artificial caterpillars that I will later glue to the branches or to the leaves of the plants to monitor predators' activity. Predators attack them. We actually have a better understanding now of how to recognize different predator types. There are bite guides out there, photographic bite guide there, and it's a technique that is spreading out, being used in many different habitats worldwide. Thank you very much.